Hello everybody, we are Designer ImagEngine. First I'd like to introduce everybody. I'm Gabriel, this is our leader Austin, Benito, and Araceli. And our mentor throughout this capstone project was Brian Deanda and Eduardo.
So Pineapple is our sponsor from company. Pineapple is a San Francisco-based company that works with architects and designers to build their business. As an example, here we have an image over an so an architect or designer can upload an image and they can add notes and add tags and share it amongst their Google networks. They can also get client input if they like. So as I mentioned before, it allows for image tagging. However, it has to be done manually, which is time consuming and allows for human errors like misspelled words or they can add words not related to that image. And it also restricts visibility among within Pineapple's platform.
So our solution to this problem is to create a simple and fast web app which allows users to share their work, discover others' work, and then all the while make them more productive. So there are three big parts of that I want to break down for you. The first being that it's simple and fast. The main way we achieved this was by using React as our web framework. React makes it easy to render the website ahead of time on your server, meaning the client sees information before the browser actually catches up. The second part is that the interface only renders when things change, saving valuable resources. The second aspect is the share and be inspired, which comes in the form of a database of searchable images. If we can store the content of images in the form of files, and a user enters a simple search query, they should be returned relevant results. The third big part is automation, and the biggest player here is Amazon's recognition. If we can reduce the time spent tagging from a dozen or so manual clicks to hitting one endpoint, we can save our users valuable time. It also standardizes the vocabulary of tags, saving us from human error in the long run.
This is a demo of what we have working so far. Users can select an image and they can view that, select the uploaded image, and we can see tags that are generated by recognition, and we can also search an image. Once we upload the image, we can see the stored image down here, and then if you click on it, you can see the visible image. So results, what went right, we were able to find the most important tools that we were going to use, for example, recognition and S3, and we were able to test those tools ahead of time so that by the time we needed to incorporate those tools, we already had knowledge on how that worked and it was easy to implement those. We also focused on the core functionality. Sometimes we came up with the idea, oh, we should add this feature, but it wasn't really related to the core functionality. So it was, we kept on task. What we learned, details that we need to have more detailed discussions with our mentors, right? And then regarding user needs, like what does the user really need? And then in case, like keep it simple, silly, like just focus on the simple implementation. Next steps, we would like to expand on image search. Most importantly, like make it more robust. Right now it works with like, if I type water, it shows me water, but like we would like to make it so that like it works with synonyms. Like if I type water, I should also see ocean. Right now it doesn't work like that, so we need to expand on that. And also add more tasks to incorporate user's experience.
Thank you, and if anybody has any questions or would like to talk to us about the project more in depth, we'll be at our during the poster session. And we'd also like to acknowledge Brian Deanda, Eduardo, both software engineers at Pineapple, and Meg, the CTO of